Hey everyone, if you're an electrician, installer, or a low voltage tech who's constantly drilling through metal enclosures or panels, this one's for you. Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out the 4-piece Carbide-Tipped Hole Saw Kit, part number HSK-4, designed to make fast, clean cuts through some of the toughest material out there. This kit is engineered for pros who need precision and durability on every single cut. Let's break down what makes it stand out. First, durability. These carbide tipped bits are built to last. They stay sharper, cut cleaner, and hold up even through steel, copper, or aluminum, no problem. Second, efficiency. Each bit has a pilot drill with an ejector spring that automatically kicks out the slug after cutting. That means less downtime, fewer jams, and faster workflow. Third, industrial strength. Every component is made from industrial grade materials, so it's ready for heavy duty use day in and day out. And fourth, precision. These saws cut accurate holes quickly with minimal burrs or deformation, giving you clean edges every time. Perfect for installing conduit, junction boxes, or cable pass-throughs. The kit includes 3 hole saw sizes: 7/8 inch, 1 1/8 inch, and 1 3/8 inch, plus an extra pilot bit and a durable hard case to keep it all organized. So if you're working with stainless steel, mild steel, copper, or brass, and you want a hole saw kit that's fast, tough, and built to perform, the HSK-4 from Jonard Tools has you covered. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.